Starting a side hustle in your 50s offers a fantastic opportunity to leverage years of experience while generating extra income, all from the comfort of home. The digital age has opened doors to numerous online ventures that are not only easy to kick off but also lucrative and flexible enough to fit your lifestyle priorities. Whether you're looking to supplement retirement savings, stay mentally active, or pursue a passion that pays, choosing the right side hustle can make all the difference. This report outlines 10 profitable and accessible online side hustles tailored for individuals in their 50s that require minimal startup barriers and can be operated remotely. Each section delves into what the hustle entails, why it fits this age group, and how to get started effectively. Additionally, a bonus side hustle is revealed at the end, known for its superior profit potential. Let's dive in. Virtual assistance is an administrative service performed remotely, such as scheduling, email management, customer service, and social media support. People in their 50s excel here due to their organizational skills and reliability honed over years. Starting is simple. One needs a computer, basic software knowledge, and good communication skills. Platforms like Belay and Upwork help find clients quickly. Earning potential ranges from $15 to $50 per hour, with flexible hours to suit personal schedules. You can specialize in niches like real estate or healthcare to boost earnings. The role balances light tech use and interpersonal skills, making it a perfect, low-stress side hustle that can evolve into a stable income source. Online tutoring involves teaching academic subjects, languages, or skills to students via platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid. Being in your 50s means you bring valuable life experience coupled with subject mastery, which students appreciate. Tutoring covers everything from K-12 subjects to specialized areas such as ESL. You set your schedule and rates, often ranging from $20 to $60 per hour. Unlike traditional teaching, it requires minimal setup, just a stable internet connection and a quiet space. The satisfaction of mentoring and intellectual engagement makes this side hustle uniquely fulfilling, with growing demand worldwide making it both profitable and sustainable. This side hustle leverages professional expertise and language skills to create or edit content for blogs, websites, and companies. Platforms like Fiverr and ProBlogger provide an easy gateway to finding clients. Writing topics can stem from your professional background or personal interests, giving your work authenticity and depth. It allows flexible hours and work volume, making it ideal for balancing other commitments. Earnings typically start at $20 per article or higher, increasing with experience and specialization. Freelance writing nurtures creativity and continuous learning, and can expand into lucrative niches like technical writing or copywriting, making it an accessible and profitable home-based venture. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services online and earning commissions on sales generated via your referral links. People in their 50s benefit from credibility and trust they naturally command, especially when promoting niche products related to their life experiences. This hustle requires minimal startup costs, mainly creating a website or social media presence and building an audience. Income is passive once established, varying widely from a few hundred to thousands monthly. Successful marketers focus on authentic recommendations and provide valuable content to their followers. It's a scalable business, allowing flexible work hours and owned income streams. Patience and consistency are key, but the long-term financial rewards are significant. Consulting harnesses decades of professional experience to advise businesses or individuals. This high-value side hustle is ideal for those with established expertise in industries such as marketing, finance, or operations. Consultants work part-time or project-based from home, setting their rates often between $100 and $300 per hour. Existing networks can help secure initial clients, while platforms like Upwork expand reach. Consulting offers the flexibility to choose engagements aligned with your interests and schedule. This role emphasizes problem-solving and strategic advice, providing both intellectual satisfaction and financial gain. Consultants often find broad demand, especially from small companies seeking seasoned guidance, making it one of the most profitable options for people in their 50s. Creating online courses to share your expertise has become an excellent way to generate income passively. In your 50s, your accumulated knowledge, whether in hobbies, professional skills, or practical life lessons, can be converted into video lessons, e-books, or webinars. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable simplify course hosting and marketing. While initial course creation requires a time investment, once launched, courses can provide ongoing income with minimal effort. Pricing varies widely depending on the niche and depth, potentially earning thousands monthly. The side hustle is scalable, allowing you to develop multiple courses over time. This approach suits those who enjoy teaching and want to build a lasting asset from their wisdom. Managing social media accounts for small businesses offers a fulfilling and flexible side hustle. Many companies lack time or skill to maintain their online presence and seek trusted experts who can post content, engage followers, and run ad campaigns. Retirees in their 50s often bring communication skills and wisdom, distinguishing them from younger managers chasing trends. Starting requires familiarity with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and tools such as Canva and scheduling apps. Earnings range from $20 to $60 per hour, with potential for recurring monthly contracts. This role allows creative expression and real impact on brand growth, making it an accessible and rewarding online opportunity. For creatively inclined individuals, freelance graphic design is a flexible and profitable side hustle. You can create logos, brochures, social media graphics, and more, working with clients worldwide via platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Experience with design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva is essential, but beginner-friendly tools make starting easier today. Rates typically range from $25 to $75 per hour depending on skill and project complexity. This hustle complements retirees' rich life experience with a modern skill set, offering a balance of creativity and earning potential. It can be scaled by building a client base or creating templates and digital products sold with minimal ongoing work. Transcription involves converting audio recordings into written text, supporting industries like legal, medical, and media. It suits retirees with strong listening skills and attention to detail. You can work entirely remotely and set your own hours on platforms such as Rev or TranscribeMe. It requires basic typing skills and familiarity with transcription software but no advanced degrees. Earnings typically fall between $15 and $30 per hour, growing with speed and accuracy. This hustle offers a low barrier to entry and steady workload, appealing to individuals seeking structured yet flexible work. It nurtures active listening and concentration while providing a stable income stream. Blogging is a versatile side hustle that lets you share passions, from travel to finance or lifestyle, while monetizing your expertise through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Retirees benefit from authenticity and life wisdom that audiences trust. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make setup easy. It requires consistent content creation and basic SEO knowledge but can start as a hobby and evolve into a business. Monetization grows with traffic and niche engagement, potentially earning from a few hundred to thousands monthly. Blogging builds a loyal community and can be combined with other digital ventures, making it a flexible and scalable choice for people in their 50s wanting to work from home. Among all side hustles, coaching and mentoring stand out for their profitability and deep personal fulfillment. Leveraging decades of life and career experience, coaching can focus on career transitions, wellness, confidence, or niche skills. It requires minimal financial investment to start, mainly communication platforms like Zoom, and a structured approach tailored to client needs. Coaches typically charge $50 to $200 per hour, with potential to earn $5,000 plus monthly part-time. As a coach, your wisdom is your product, creating lasting transformations for clients seeking guidance from someone who truly gets it. This side hustle benefits from strong referrals and repeat clients, yielding stable income streams. Many over 50s find coaching meaningful, synthesizing expertise with purpose while enjoying flexible hours and remote work. Comprehensive certification can enhance credibility but isn't always necessary when experience shines through. Starting a side hustle in your 50s provides financial empowerment, intellectual engagement, and personal satisfaction. From virtual assistants to coaching, these online opportunities balance ease of entry with profitability. By choosing the right fit aligned with your skills and passions, you can create a rewarding and sustainable work from home career today.